Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi. It's got no heating or no hot water. It's flashing an error code 25. Now the thing with this boiler, right, it starts flashing error 25 when it gets to a certain temperature. So in this video, we're gonna hopefully diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So basically, the boiler goes through ignition process, it lights up, and it stays alight. So after a short time, the boiler goes off, the burner goes off, and starts flashing code. Now the problem is it takes a while for it to start flashing the code. Now according to manufacturing instructions, error 25 is related to flame detection. Now but the boiler problem is the boiler is firing up all the time, stays alight, and then it just gets to a certain temperature and just locks out. Can you try your tapper for me, please? Can you open the tap?
Oh, that's right.
And leave it open for me. There you go.
That's one, yeah?
Yeah.
Up here. I'll turn it up to this.
Leave it open. Now I was testing out central heating. Unfortunately, the temperature goes up very slowly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it on hot water. So I'm going to switch the heating off, and now I'm going to control the hot water from just under the boiler, the isolation valves, and then let's see what happens to it.
The tap's still on.
The thing is, it fires up all okay. Just after a bit, the flame just goes off. Now at this stage, I still don't know what's going on with it, man. The pipes are warming up, but eventually, after a bit, it starts flashing the F25 code. Now eventually, I had no choice but to dig deeper. So I've taken the front cover off, and I've just, as you could see, the combustion chamber is really dirty. So I don't think it's been serviced for a long time. Could be that could be causing the problem. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean that out. Now while I had the combustion chamber open, I checked out the burner, and the flame detection electrode, that looks really bad. That looks like it's in a bad state. So I'm gonna have to change that as well. Right, just come down to Graham Plumber Merchants on Bromford Lane, and I got this ignition electrode, and always get a washer with it as well. And the good gentleman here saving me.
So you are always
Thank you very much.
no problem.
So what I'm going to do is clean that out. And I'm also going to change these. So sort out the most obvious ones. And then we're going to have to dig deeper if it still don't work. Guys, I think I've sorted it because the boiler was not getting up to 50 Celsius before, and now we're getting very hot water, so I think I've sorted this one out. Guys, just sorted this Biasi as a bit of an intermittent fault. What was happening, right? It would get to about 40 Celsius and it would lock out. It would lock out on 25, which is error related to ignition. It was a bit baffling because it would ignite and stay alight, but the burner would go up to 25. No, the temperature would go up to 40 Celsius, 43 Celsius, and just lock out. And the air 25 starts flashing. So anyway, open it up, service the boiler, and change the detection electrode, which is this baby here. Okay, this one here. I had to snap off the end because it wouldn't come out. Sorted, changed the parts, cleaned it up, and it's all working fine now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.